What's going on, everybody? This is KDW for the Wealth Wells trading community. Here today with another trade recap for 1/14/2022. Going to break down this trade in the trading day, ending the week on a high note. 3 consecutive days with more than 100% returns on a few trades that we did. A bunch of trades that ranged anywhere from 30-40% all the way up to 80%. A few 13 and 15 percenters in there, and then a few 90 percenters as well. But most importantly, we're most excited about 3 consecutive days with 100% return on some of our trades there. So some of them came in at 135%, which is what we'll talk about today. Some of the other trades came in somewhere around 145. Really killed it and crushed it, guys. 135, a couple trades there. Let's see here. 151, 144, 142. So excellent week this week. So we're just going to recap Friday 114 and talk about the trade, what made me enter into the trade, what was my entry and exit, signal to enter, signal to exit, and how the trade ended up working out for me. So when you look at my screen, of course, you guys already know I don't use any lagging indicators to make a trade. So I'm not going to have any MACD, RSI, TTM squeeze. Nope, not going to have that. I'm not going to have any lagging EMAs, SMAs. Nope, not going to have that. Now, to make an intraday trade, that is. Now, I will say those indicators are useful for longer time frames and for certain setups, so they're not all bad. But for our system, to trade like a Wall Street well, we don't use those to enter our trades. All you see are my price levels, and we trust them. There's a lot of work that goes into our price levels, the pre-market and the research that we do, and we trust them. So Friday, right at the open, based on our market indicators, we understood that there was the market overall for the week dumping, selling off, and we are already in a red week, and so we felt like we were coming to a floor and we would range. And we wouldn't have any aggressive move either way. We felt like we would stay within our range here based on our market indicators and further research. And so when you look at my screen here, you're seeing 46498 to the right there as a top of the range. And then you're seeing somewhere 45733 or 45854 to the bottom. Now, we understood that coming into the open, right around 850, we started to base around 46250. So this level here, coupled with our other market indicators and some further research, it gave us reason to believe that we would base around this area, and this was a good zone for profit taking or to watch. So our first trade that we took right at the day, I'll post those trades here on the screen for you so you can see 1 or 2 of them. I didn't take many pictures of the other trades. That's something I just can't do. Can't take pictures while I'm in a trade. So, but we try to do our best. But, if you join the Discord, click the link down below in the description. You can join our Discord, come into the Discord, and trade with us. You can get the call-outs by joining into the voice channel. Now, our call-outs, this is not financial advice. These call-outs are not signals to enter and exit trades. It's simple training that we've got in place to show you guys what we're seeing before we enter and exit trades to help you be a better trader and to grow your account. But right off the gate in the open, let's talk about this trade here. So right away, we're watching the 46090 area, and immediately we get a shot to the upside. So right away, you can see in the screen there, you can see around that 934 to 935. I took the first trade here, and it was a pretty fast trade. As soon as this candle went up and closed, I made 15% and got out. That's just something to get the trade day going. We were really looking for a rejection off of this 46498 area, this zone up here. And so I'm watching that zone very carefully. I'm not, we're not expecting SPY to really run. However, we did have a bull case thesis developed and a bear case thesis. But overall, our daily thesis was a range, right? A range. So let's see how the trade plays out here. Now, right off of this rejection to the upside here, right there, I begin to start scaling into a position to the downside. All right. So somewhere around 10:20, I load up into a position to play this fade, and my first profit target could be 46195, but my overall profit target was 46090 to 46052. Right. So depending on price action, I would either take profit or let the trade blow through my first PT onto the final PT. So right around 10:18, I start to scale into a position here, and with the expectation that we would reject. Now, so far, it looks like we're rejecting off of our zone up here, right? 10 o'clock, we get some rejection. I like the way this candle at 10:10 is getting wicked out. Strong rejection at 10:20. Let's see what we get. So as the trade goes on, we get a strong rejection to the downside, and right here we hit my first PT at 46195. Now I think around this point I'm at about 60-70% profit, but looking at the overall thesis, I'm looking at the market, I'm looking at my other market indicators, not lagging indicators. I'm looking at the market indicators, and it told me that the hold was good. Right, I'm seeing a strong rejection of this SPY dance around 46195, and I'm seeing some rejection. It's not really creeping up over 46288. So based on the market, I elect to hold the position all the way to my final profit target. So eventually SPY begins to break down, and right about here, 11:15, I first take profit. The trade actually was very volatile. It went down to about 150, but I got a fill at around 135.27 there. So excellent entry at the top here. The trade ends up going down to hitting our price target 460.90, and this trade paid me 135%. Right, so our third 100%er this week, coupled with all the other winners. Super excited about that and happy. Every day ended up green. Every trade was a solid trade, and we ended the day green and the week green as well. Well, I exited that trade full in profit, no runners, and then after I exited the trade, SPY began to come back up to this 462 area. Now I'm watching to see if it holds there. I wasn't expecting a run up here by no means. I didn't feel like this dump or this sell-off was sufficient. Looking at the rest of the market, I felt like we had another sell-off coming as well, and the market confirmed that with this movement. So I elected to take another position here. Didn't take a picture of that position, but this next position here, after it rejects off of 46294, it went on to come back down to our price target and rejected immediately. I played the rejection here. And then this second dump down to 460.90 paid about 70% here. So we'll pause it here. And this time we blew right past my profit target to the second PT, and I was able to exit here into strength for another 70% win. So 3 wins in the morning, 15%, 135, and a 70%. Super happy about that on a Friday. Had some excellent volatility. At this point, I elected to not trade any more of the open, although we danced around at my price target for a little bit. I didn't feel like we would break down too much more. We had some volume beneath us, and I felt like SPY would continue to range. Now, some of you guys in the Discord started to scale into a position here. Excellent job if you did. You caught the run up there. Excellent selection of a position there. And SPY went on to go ahead and just go ahead and rock it for the rest of the day. So all in all, was a fantastic day, fantastic week, right? Several 100% trades for the week. A bunch of small trades that we crushed it on, and even Friday we ended the week strong. So I just wanted to do this simple trade recap for you guys. If you've seen any of the other videos, and you know that these levels aren't levels that we just made up to do a video or anything like that, then you know that these levels are true, and they've been here for some time, a couple weeks, right? And we adjust the levels in our pre-market. So we're going to encourage you to come into our Discord, the Wealth Wells. We're a community of learning, trading, and helping out and getting better every single week, helping people get better. And we want you guys to be elite traders. So you can join the voice channel, 8:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we're going to do a pre-market. And then I'm live trading with you the open every single day. So you want to find out how good I am. You want to find out if we're any good in the Wealth Wells, if we know what we're doing, and if we know how to trade, the best way is to jump in the Discord. It's completely free, and to learn how to trade. Come in, start a conversation, and get active. Well, listen, folks, that's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching. This is KDW for the Wealth Wells Trading Community. Be on the lookout for more videos as we discuss perfect entries and exits, as we discuss our levels and how you can set levels like these with confidence and just simply play your levels for perfect entries and exits to get those 135% wins every single day. All right? Do me a favor. Click the like and subscribe button to this video if you like the trade recap. Click on our other videos about volume, entries and exits, VIX, and the like, so that we can help you trade like a Wall Street well. Now, here's something I want you to pay attention to. When you look at my screen, what do you see? You don't see any lagging indicators. You don't see any SMAs, EMAs, CTM squeeze, MACD, RSI. And those indicators, they certainly have a place somewhere in trading. But elite traders, experienced traders, we're going to trade on a screen just like this. We're going to trade our levels. And we spend a lot of time researching the market, doing the prep work to make sure our levels are true. How do you set levels like this? How do you enter the positions with confidence? How do you make those 100% wins every single day? Come into the Discord. Let me help you. Let me show you how. This is KDW for the Wealth Wells, signing out.